Igbo. Try and do spirituality the way your ancestors did it. This is why I insist that what I explain, to the best of my knowledge, is my experiences, Igbo spirituality, not just spirituality. Because some of these spirituality explainers are just listen to your child and let your child do what he wants to do. So that if he decides that if your male child, the Kenga, decides that he's a girl, that you should leave him, let him grow like that. So you're not supposed to prune a tree that is growing under your this thing. The basic of Igbo, Buji, Odinaani. So you now come, your yam tendrils, jige kobe, ome jige kobe, elapia, go kobe just anywhere, make him grow for ground, make him enter inside ground if you want. The only thing where I just explain is Igbo spirituality, and you Igbo child, try do them in the Igbo way. The reason the Igbo way is the right way and the best way is that our ancestors understand the grounding. Many of people they experience something like they kabula agune money herself. When kabula olo agune me that person go dey explain something way no get grounding. If you no get grounding for your ancestors saying, you can't go carry one spiritual practice where you don't know where the best way they teach them. They teach them, I don't know what the names say they answer. So say less. Thanks for streaming, processing my pain. If you streamed it already, send it to your guys to listen so that we can grow, because it's word of mouth referrals like this that will help us grow. The streams are really low.
Bad chef, bad game, I'm a ring goddess. Yes, I'm the prize, but I use Jones to lose my assets.